Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I will be showing you how to make organic tofu tacos made with both green and red chili. Again, thank you for tuning into this video, and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So here are the primary ingredients. We're going to start off with our organic extra firm tofu. And with that, we are going to be frying it with this. This here is half a cup of oil. You can use whichever oil you'd like. I'm using vegetable oil today. And along with that, we have our white onions. It was about a small white onion, some key limes, some garlic, and then your choice of sauces. I have both red and green chili today. You can use whichever one you'd like. If you make it homemade, you're responsible for the ingredients. So if you want to make it organic, you can just add any organic ingredients to make your salsas. And that's it. So again, we have the extra firm tofu, half a cup of vegetable oil. We're going to be incorporating some small white onion that I've already pre-cut, some garlic, some key lime, and whichever sauce you would like to use. And these here are the type of tortillas I'm going to be using. They're going to be the corn tortillas style taqueria. I'm using this brand, but you can use any brand you like, but this here is the most common when it comes to tortillas. You get it at your traditional grocery store right next to the everyday corn tortillas. The difference between the traditional corn tortillas and these is the size. They're just much smaller. And just to give you an idea of the difference in size, this here are the tortillas I'm going to be using, the taqueria style, and this here is a traditional corn tortilla. The only difference is the size. These are both from the same brand, and I'm just showing you the size so you can see. This here is a traditional way to do it, but if you don't have them or if you can't find them, you can just use a traditional corn tortilla. So I'm going to get our extra firm tofu, and I'm going to use a knife. Be very careful. I'm going to cut right here down the middle. It's very, very soft. Even though it's extra firm, it's extremely soft to cut through. You don't need to saw away. And I'm going to make it like that. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make small little squares. And the reason why I'm going to make them small is so that we have a lot of tacos to go around and you get some tofu in every bite. I'm not going to mince it. I'm just going to make small squares. See that? Now, I'm just going to cut it up like that to make squares about this size. Traditional tofu squares. Just like that. And now I'm going to add it to a pan with the oil. And I said I was using vegetable oil, but again, you can use any oil you'd like. Now what I've done now is just drain the excess moisture, and if you feel more comfortable, because tofu is has a lot of moisture, you could just cook it separately, and once it gets to a slightly golden color like this, you can then add the garlic and the onion. It's up to you. And then now I'm just going to separate them both because as you saw earlier, I have both green and red chili. And if you want to, you can just add a little bit of salt. If you already added some seasoning or some salt or flavoring into your salsas, you don't have to do this. This is just an optional step, which is why I did not introduce it with the ingredients. I'm separating them because now I'm going to add the chili. I have green, which I'm going to pour a little bit here. You could do it in a separate pan if you want to. And then I have red right here. I'm going to get a little bit of lime. I'm just going to squeeze right on top. Just a little bit. I don't want to add too much lime. That way when I serve them, people can taste it and add as much lime as they'd like to. Just enough for some flavor. Now I'm going to turn it off. I'm not sure whether or not I mentioned that I fried this on medium-high heat. So this here is going to be the red tofu tacos. Now I'm just going to heat up the little taqueria style corn tortillas, and I got them and I dipped them into some oil, but all I did was tip the sides with oil. So what I did is I got these, I put it in like a little bowl of oil, and I just kind of turned it like this, just like that, like that, so that it can have a coating on the outside. This here is the final result. Now, tacos are usually served with 2 tacos, but I'm just serving them with 1 because I have a lot of family to feed. And it was made with some traditional Mexican rice, and there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and please feel free to share.